Welcome to my video on cipher block chaining. Cipher block chaining, also known as CBC, is a mode of operation for a block cipher. It uses a sequence of bits which are encrypted as a single unit or block with a cipher key. CBC uses what is known as an initialization vector coupled with XOR calculations to encrypt these blocks. Let me first demonstrate how the initialization vector works with the XOR calculations. First, we are given the bits of the plaintext and the initialization vector as well. Now, the first bit of the plaintext is 0, and the first bit of the IV is also 0. 0 XOR 0 gives us the result 0, which is then entered into ciphertext 1. Next, we have 1 in the plaintext and 0 in the IV. 1 XOR 0 gives us 1. And the process is repeated until the end of the plaintext. Now, moving on to encryption. In the first block, a unique initialization vector is used. The plaintext 1 and the initialization vector will go through the XOR operation. The result is then encrypted using a key with the data encryption standard DES. This will produce the first ciphertext. For the following block, ciphertext 1 will be used as the initialization vector, which will then pass through the XOR functions again to produce the results, which will then be encrypted again using the DES standard, which will give us ciphertext 2. The cycle will repeat until the end of the final block from the plaintext. Moving on to decryption. Ciphertext 1 is first decrypted using DES, which would give us the result that will be compared with the initialization vector, which will then give us plaintext 1. The ciphertext from the current block will be used in the following block as the initialization vector, which will then pass through the same methods from the previous block to give us plaintext 2. That is all I have. Thank you for watching.